Hey you guys there! Today we're doing cooking with Nonnina. And if you're not Italian, in Italy that means little grandma. That's me! So, I've been feeding my family so well during quarantine, and I discovered a problem. They can't fit in their clothes. So I want to help my family get into their clothes and fit out the door. And because of the pandemic, I can't afford new clothes. So we're gonna do a whole new recipes for Nonnina, and you follow along with us. So today I'm gonna make a mustard pork chop with apricot glaze, and I'm gonna pair that with a delicious asparagus and a fancy fruit salad that's gonna be muy delicioso. So now I want to go over the ingredients so you can follow along with me. So first, I have the lovely pork chops, and then we do 1/4 of finely shredded basil. Next, half a cup of mustard. I like my brown spicy mustard for my dishes. Eat a full can of apricots. 3/4 a shallot. This lovely thing is a shallot. Be careful when you cut it, you get a little teary. And 1 teaspoon of grounded cardamom. Okay, we're ready to begin. So we're gonna get 2 tablespoons of this delicious olive oil. I like to add a little bit for love. Now we're going to take the pork and we're going to season with the salt and the pepper. And I like the Himalayan pink salt. It's very tasty and good for you. And the pepper. Now, when you're doing your Italian healthy dishes, don't forget the pork. I know everyone thinks you gotta have chicken, but don't forget the pork. It's the other way meat. It's good for you. So we got the olive oil sizzling. It's nice and hot. So it's ready for the pork. So we're gonna put the pork in the pan, and this is the sauteing. And we're gonna get the one side brown, and then we'll flip it over, and we'll put some nice mustard on it. And then we'll flip it over again and put the mustard on the other side. And it's going to be delicious. Now Nonnina got the pork nice and brown, so we're going to flip it over. Don't want to get the splatter that can burn. And now I'm going to put on the spicy mustard. Spread it out nice and good. This is going to taste delicious. So when you do the spreading of the mustard, when you're cooking, it's like you're in honors. It's like you gotta make sure you paint the whole pork chop with yellow mustard. You don't want to miss a spot. What a lovely picture. Oh, this is coming together so well. I love it. It's so nice to do a healthy Italian dish for the whole familia. Oh, I love the smell of the fresh olive oil cooking up the pork chop. So now we're going to put the pork chop on the pan and prepare to put it in the oven. I've set my oven at 375. And as we do this, we're going to add a little bit more mustard on top to really let it seep in. So take your extra mustard. Oh, that's going to be so delicious. So I'm going to put this in the oven. I'll put it in the middle rack. And I'm going to set my timer for 10 minutes and I'll give it a check. Okay, time to move on. So now I'm getting my asparagus asparagus ready. And so I chop off the bottom, we get rid of the ends, and we put our asparagus in the pan, getting it ready. What a lovely, pretty vegetable this is. It's so delicious. But of course, you may make your peace now. And we take our olive oil from Italy, of course, and we drizzle it all around it. Now, we want to make sure it's healthy, so we don't want to put too much oil. But olive oil is good for you. Don't let them tell you anything different. Ah, that's so good. We're going to put on the pepper. And my pink salt. And just a little bit more olive oil. That's so good. And now the asparagus will join the pork in the oven. How is my little pork chops doing? You're gonna talk to your food. They're looking delicious and they smell wonderful. Now I'll go prepare the glaze. So don't forget to check your meat. At 10 minutes, I flip mine over. I want to make sure both sides get cooked beautifully. And now we're going to make our glaze. So we're going to start with the olive oil. You always start with the olive oil. 1/4 cup. We put that in the bowl. Now we take our fresh basil. I get mine from my basil plant, but you can go to the store and get some fresh basil. Put that all in. And then the cardamom, which is grounded. And our shallots. Get that all in there nice. This is going to be a delicious glaze. And our special ingredient, the apricot. And now we put in the balsamic vinegar. 3 tablespoons. Oh, I love the taste of balsamic. This is going to be a lovely glaze on our pork. And then the honey. Just 1/4 teaspoon. And dab that in. Oh, the bees do such a nice job. And my pink salt. Grind it in. And the pepper. That's so good. And now we're going to mix it together. Really use your spoon. Get it all in there. Mix it up nice. The little Italian grandmother really knows how to use her arms when she's cooking. When everyone comes over, they always say, Nonnina, you make the most delicious meals. And now you can too. Ah, that's looking really good. Just give it 1 extra stir. Now you kind of change directions. Make sure you don't miss any. I always like to give a little taste to see if it's just right. Oh, that's so good. It's going to be so fabulous on the pork. And next we'll prepare the salad. And you know, as Italian, a lot of times we like to have the salad at the end. It's because we like our wine to go with our main meal. We don't want the balsamic to mess with the lovely aromas in your taste buds. So we're going to make this a side dish though, because we want to have some healthy eating and we want to fill up on some of our lovely vegetables. So we're going to add the kale. And next is our red onion. And you'll put some red onions on your kale. Oh, that's so pretty. And next we have our strawberries. Now we put some strawberries on your salad. It makes it nice and fruity. And the most important part of this is your lovely goat cheese. And we'll cut that up. The goats just make the best cheese. And now we'll crumble it a little up. Just dash it all over. It's gonna taste wonderful. The goat cheese and the strawberries just go together fabulous. And now I'm gonna make my own special salad dressing. We'll do 1/4 cup of balsamic vinegar. Beautiful. We'll do 1/4 cup of your Italian olive oil. It keeps your skin nice. We're gonna do 2 tablespoons of the honey. That's 1. And the bees and the Italians are very good friends. We love our honey. Now we'll add the spicy mustard. We do 2 teaspoons of that. Ooh, excuse me. I'm gonna whip it, and I'm gonna whip it right into shape. You really want to get it nice and creamy. Give it a really good whip. Nonnina really gets her own workout. Oh, that's looking lovely. I think it's just about done. And now we'll drizzle it on the ceiling. Just spread it out nice. Delicious. I like to give myself a little taste. Ooh, that's fancy. All right, we're ready for the final step where we're gonna glaze our pork. And now remember, this is your artwork. This is your final piece. You wanna make it look wonderful. And we do some dabbling with the sauce. And boy, that looks fantastic. This is what it looks like. What lovely dishes we made today. And I would recommend a nice crisp Riesling with this meal. It'll bring out the taste of the apricot and the mustard. And I know we're all trying to eat healthy, but us Italians, we always drink our wine. And just remember, if Nonnina can do it, anyone can do it. Buon appetito. So if you like the show, make sure you hit that subscribe button and ding the bell. And I like that little thumbs up sign and any positive comments you'd like to leave me. Ciao!